Chapter 14. Water is life. Get set. Can you name the source of water shown in the picture? All living things need water to survive. We need water for drinking, bathing, washing, cooking, and many other activities. Plants need water to live and grow. Animals also need water to drink and bathe. About 3/4 of our Earth's surface is covered with water. Therefore, Earth is also known as Blue Planet. Most of the water on the Earth is present in seas and oceans, which is salty. Some part of water is frozen in the form of ice or snow. Only 1% of Earth's water is fresh drinking water, which is available in rivers, lakes, and wells. Sources of water. Let us study about various sources of water. Rain. Rain is the main source of water on Earth. It fills rivers, lakes, and ponds during the monsoon season. Some rainwater seeps into the ground and fills wells and raises groundwater level. Underground water, the rainwater that seeps into the ground, gets collected as underground water. This water is safe and clean for drinking. Wells, hand pumps, and tube wells are used to take out underground water. Sometimes, underground water appears on the surface in the form of springs, lakes, and ponds. A large area of water surrounded by land is called a lake. An area of water smaller than a lake is called a pond. A pond may be natural or man-made. Rivers. The rivers which get their water from rain are called rain-fed rivers. They do not flow throughout the year. They dry up during the summer season but have plenty of water in the rainy season. For example, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Narmada, and Mahandi River. The rivers which get water from the melting of ice and snow from high mountains are called snow-fed rivers. They do not dry up in any season. For example, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra rivers. Oceans and seas. An ocean is a huge body of water. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Southern. A sea is also a large water body, but smaller than an ocean. There are many seas in the world. The water present in the sea and ocean is salty and is not fit for drinking. Name the oceans and seas that surround the Indian subcontinent. Oceans. Seas. Storing water. Though rain is the main source of water, but it does not rain throughout the year. So we need to store and conserve water. This is done by building dams, canals, and reservoirs. Dam. A dam is a wall built across a river to hold back or block the flow of river water. This water is stored and used to generate electricity, irrigate fields, and for domestic purposes. Canal. A canal is a channel of water taken from a river used to irrigate the fields. Reservoir. A reservoir is an artificial or man-made lake built behind a dam to store the blocked water of the river. Later, this stored water is used for various activities. Condensation. When water vapors cool down, they change back into drops of water. This process is called condensation. Have you ever observed drops of water on the surface of glass filled with cold drink? These drops are actually condensed water vapor. The process of evaporation and condensation are 2 very important factors which maintain the balance of water on the Earth. They regulate the water cycle or rain cycle. They cause the continuous movement of water bodies to air and then back to water bodies. Water is a very precious natural resource. We must use water judiciously and prevent its wastage. Evaporation of water. There is a large amount of water found in the air in the form of water vapor. When water gets heated, it changes into steam or water vapor and goes into the air. This change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. There are many conditions in which the water evaporates faster. For example, 1. Water evaporates faster when it is left in the open. 2. Water evaporates faster when the air is dry. You must have seen clothes take a long time to dry in the monsoon season because the air is full of moisture. In summer season, the air is dry so clothes dry quickly. The evaporation becomes faster on sunny days. Did you know? Plants give off water vapor through tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. This is called transpiration. 3. Water evaporates faster when the surface is large. The water evaporates faster when it is spread on a large area. Therefore, we spread our clothes to dry. If not spread properly, they will take longer time to get dry. 4. Water evaporates faster when it is windy. Pour water into 2 small containers. Keep one under the moving fan and the other in a room with no wind. We will see that water evaporates faster under the fan. The water evaporates faster because wind helps in fast evaporation. So, your mother keeps wet clothes under the fan during rainy days. 5. Water evaporates faster at high temperature. High temperature makes the air hot and helps in faster evaporation of water. Summary: all living things need water to survive. The different sources of water are rain, lakes, ponds, rivers, seas and oceans. Water is stored in dams, canals and reservoirs. Evaporation and condensation are the 2 processes by which water changes its form. Water evaporates faster when it is left in the open. Water evaporates faster at high temperature. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Which is the main source of water? A. River. B. Lake. C. Rain. 2. Underground water can be taken out by A. Well. B. Tube well. C. Both A and B. 3. Which is a channel of water taken from a river? A. Dam. B. Canal. C. Reservoir. 4. Earth is also known as the A. Blue planet. B. Green planet. C. Red planet. B. Answer the following questions. 1. What are the different sources of water? 2. What is the difference between a lake and a pond? 3. What is an ocean? 4. What is evaporation? 5. What is condensation? C. Fill in the blanks. 1. All living things need to survive. 2. Water when it is left in the open. 3. Water evaporates faster in high. 4. Earth is known as. 5. Rain is the main source of water on. D. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. Seas and oceans water is salty. 2. Atlantic Ocean is the biggest ocean. 3. There are 6 oceans in the world. 4. Dam is the main source of water on earth. 5. Animals also need water to drink and bathe. Activity. Look at the pictures and say which of the following processes is taking place. Write E for evaporation, C for condensation and P for precipitation. 1. A kettle boiling, vapor coming out. 2. Dew on leaves. 3. Snowfall. 4. Mist on window panes of cars. 5. Rainfall. 6. Clothes drying on a clothesline. Life skill. We should not make water sources dirty by throwing wastes, plastic bags, etc. into them.